Folks, we just finished filming the abandoned cement kilns in Coplay, Pennsylvania with the drone. You'll find that video already posted to my channel. We're going to go check out the rail trail here. My son Andy and my wife Helene are with us on this explore. Which way? This way? Okay. Look at the, you still have the telephone poles. This was the Ironton Railroad. It was a short line railroad in Lehigh County, Pennsylvania. Originally built in 1861 to haul iron ore and limestone to blast furnaces along the Lehigh River, traffic later shifted to carrying Portland cement when iron mining declined in the early 1900s. It became part of Conrail in 1976, but by then much of it was already abandoned. By 1984, all operations ceased and the tracks were removed. In 1996, Whitehall Township purchased 9.2 miles of it from Conrail, transforming it into the Ironton Rail Trail. I think that train is missing something there, Andy. Like the rest of it. And take his picture. I think I found another part of the train here. You see, already put some of the railroad ties when they tore up the track. And it looks like some kind of a piece of equipment that might have been part of the railroad. Some sort of a remnant of the railroad, I presume. Some kind of light post, maybe. Well, there's the railroad bridge down there. You see it? To the left over the river. There's a steel trestle bridge that goes over this trail here. Look at that. There was a path that goes up there. Yeah. How cool is this? Man, oh man, look at that right down there. You can see right through. I'm not going to look down. This is the bridge that goes over the Lehigh River. Wow. Sorry folks, but I won't be going out on that bridge. Somebody walking across it right now. Yeah. I was too chicken to go all the way across. It was underneath the bridge. Well, now that you know what trailhead it is, maybe you'll spot the trailhead on the map. It's a long path, and we just can't go walking down there. Expect to come across it. You know, it could be miles down the road. We were looking for a caboose that was supposed to be located on a main trailhead. We had to drive a couple of miles, but we found it. along with somebody very interesting.
Sit there.
I ran into the mayor of Whitehall here.
Mike Harakal.
Mike Harakal.
Fortunate enough to be the mayor.
There you go. Great. Let's take a look at the caboose over here, Mike.
Sure.
Okay. Maybe you can tell us a little bit about it.
The caboose was moved here from about 80 miles away. I think perhaps as long as 30 years ago.
Oh, okay.
It sat at the Whitehall Parkway for much of that time, and it was moved here, I believe, about 8 years ago, coincident with turning this into the main trailhead for the Ironton Rail Trail.
Okay, okay.
I was fortunate enough back in about 1985, when I was what we now call the mayor in Whitehall, to work with Norfolk Southern and Conrail to buy this Ironton Rail Trail.
Oh.
And as things go with larger bureaucracies, it took about 7 more years to get it actually finally acquired.
Okay.
It had transected 110 acres that we have, the Whitehall Parkway, and so we wanted to join the two pieces. And then we realized this would make a great asset for a trail, and it was at the beginning of the Rails to Trails movement.
Okay, yeah.
Now we're at a point where, as of last December, not a full count, but a decent count of 230,000 people that walked this trail or rode it on a bike.
Wow. We were down on the trail right near where the Kilns were just a little while ago. It goes along, what's that, the Lehigh River there goes along?
Lehigh River is right next to it.
Okay, and there was a lot of people on that trail on bikes. Great day for
It's
be out.
one trail, it's 9 miles long, goes through 3 municipalities. After we bought the property, we sold off the land to Coplay Borough in their area in North Whitehall Township.
All right, well, thanks a lot. We appreciate your time.
Okay, nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
You be well.
You be well, too.